All right, so I got a small haul here. I went ahead and picked up one of these new Dewalt Pro 18-inch rolling tool bags. Part number I've got is going to be DWST560107. And the reason I picked this up was just for doing little odd jobs at work. I currently work in a warehouse environment, constantly on the move, rolling a little tool cart around. And when I'm doing little small jobs, I'll usually carry a little bag. But I just wanted something I can roll versus carry, save the shoulders. But originally I was looking at one of these backpacks. I used to have the older style DeWalt backpack, and it was great. But like I said, I just didn't want to carry something around. So just opted for one of these rolling bags. Eventually I do want to pick up one of these smaller bags. I believe it's a 15-inch or 16-inch, and then possibly one of these open totes. I have a gear inch one of these totes that works great for little side jobs, just personal side work, but it's not really the most sturdy, so I don't want to bust it up working or using it at work. So like I said, eventually I'll pick something, one of these totes up. But as I mentioned, just wanted to do a quick little overview of it. You got your handle back here. It's extendable, 55-pound rating, I believe. Yeah, so you got 55 pounds. Some of your not a ton of information on it. Doesn't really mention how many pockets you got, but in the front you got a water resistant pouch. Throw your cell phone in it, maybe some smaller electronics. Zipper's a little tough one-handed, which I guess is a good thing, because as I mentioned, it is water resistant. So let's see. First pocket here, you've got some slots for various tools. On the side, you got two small slots and then a real thin one. Can't really fit much in here. Maybe a notepad or something. Pens and pencils. You got a little belt clip, lanyard. On the side, you got some. Looks like three. Yeah, you got 3 pockets. And the same goes for the opposite side. You got 3 pockets. Whatever you can throw in there. And then in the main bag, you've got an open area. Hammers, wrenches, like a wrench roll. Obviously, impacts. You can kind of throw in this open area. Maybe parts. And you got these little side pockets. I say little, but they're pretty big. And then in the back, you've got the smaller slots for various pliers, screwdrivers, whatever. One thing I did notice I was missing that I did have on my DeWalt backpack that I really liked was a little slot for my tape measure, but it doesn't appear this one has that. But again, overall the build quality seems real nice. Seems real sturdy, so we'll see how it holds up in a professional environment. Like I said, I'm not going to be overloading this. It's just more so for little jobs here and there. Work on a lot of tractors and trailers, so maybe I'll throw some lift gate motors in here, and then just various wrenches I might need for it. Suspension airbags. You don't need a ton of tools, so rather than bring a whole tool cart out, you just throw it in this. So again, I'll try and do a follow-up, how it's holding up, maybe 6 months, maybe a year down the road. But again, overall, just out of the box, so to speak, I'm pretty happy with the build quality. So again, we'll see how it holds up. But as always, thanks for watching.